Good evening once more. So this one's called trickphotographybook.com. It's all a review of it. What I quite like is start the videos, the first thing you see almost. So that's good. So down here's ClickBank Trust is secure, 60-day refund if you don't like it. To MD want to take better photographs today, you can create mind-blowing artistic images with top secret photography tutorials with step instructions. Not sure what this is all about, but we'll take a watch and listen. Come back in a few minutes.
Hey, it's Evan, and I just want to let you know that if you have a DSLR of any kind, that you can start taking pictures just like the ones that you're seeing on this page right now. You do not need an expensive camera to take pictures like this. You just need a basic DSLR, and here's why. A lot of people think that if they have the best gear that they can make the best photographs. Now that is completely untrue, especially if you don't have the right knowledge and creativity. If you have creativity and ideas, and you know about things like composition and light, you can make way better pictures with your camera than the photographer who doesn't know about those things but has the most expensive $20,000 camera. The camera is not important at all. See, in trick photography and special effects, you want to focus more on the creative and artistic ideas and less about the gear. The gear is just a tool. A good photographer will know how to use the basic fundamental principles of photography to take a good image with any camera. All DSLRs, they all have a manual mode, and that is what I'm going to be showing you how to use in this course to create artistic images. So if you have a DSLR in your house right now, I don't care what it is or what it's called, I'm going to show you how to use it to create really artistic images. These pictures that you're seeing right here, all of these pictures were made with a Nikon D50 camera, which if you don't know what type of camera that is, it's the first basic entry-level DSLR that Nikon released back in 2005. Now, because they don't make this camera anymore, you can actually get this one used for $230 on eBay. That's what I found recently. Or you could get a newer camera and it would still have it be the most basic entry-level model and still be able to take cool pictures just like what you're seeing right here. In fact, let me show you a little trick that you can use with any camera right off the bat. See the little thing that says shutter speed? If you raise that number to make it longer, whenever you take a picture now, your camera will be on for several seconds taking a picture for that amount of time. Now this is really cool because what you can do is take a
So that's part of it. So a lot of these products, it's not about making money; it's just the product. Well, this one's a wee bit different. There's companies that do pay for taking photographs. They need to be special ones. So that's in that sense, it can be used for that or just for personal use. So his skill really or his teaching is don't focus on what these images can produce, make sure it's a good shot, and then that's added in later. So that's really, I think, he's trying to say. Um, so always take a good photo and then you can play around with it. So the special effects and all that sort of thing. So that's kind of what it could be used for. There's companies that taking great photos and they would be very impressed with these kind of ideas and shots. So that's what it is. So you want to get it. If you're into this thing, you're probably searching for it. I would get it. Yeah, it's $47. If you're looking for an online business, which isn't photography related, but is something really special, then take a look in the description also. And we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.